Pevisone Cream. Presentation. Pevisone Cream, a white cream containing 1% econazole nitrate BP and 0.1% Triamcinolone Acetonide BP. Uses. Econazole nitrate is a broad-spectrum antifungal agent. Its range of application covers dermatophytes, yeasts and molds. Moreover, it has antibacterial effect on gram-positive pathogens. Triamcinolone acetonide is a highly effective topical steroid with rapid anti-inflammatory, antipruritic and anti-allergic action. At the concentration chosen for anti-allergic action. At the concentration chosen for Pevisone. The two active substances econazole nitrate and triamcinolone acetonide developed their full activity. The major indications of Pevisone are dermatomycosis caused by dermatophytes, yeasts and fungi, accompanied by distinct inflammatory or allergic symptoms, e.g. eczematous mycosis, diaperdermatitis, eczema marginatorn, intertrigo, folliculitis trichophytica, psychosis Barbie. Pevisone is also indicated for the treatment of mycosis located in the region of body folds where inflammation or intolerance of drugs or adjuvants may develop. Thanks for watch.